What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another cleaning video, and depending on when you guys are seeing this video, you might already seen the set. I'm super in love with it. I love the logo in the back, the wood. Of course, I'm loving the jumpsuit, and I'm definitely loving the rebranded products that we have to offer now, guys. Now for today's video, I am going to be cleaning these Green Lobsters that, as you can see, have definitely seen better days. Now this shoe is my size, a true 11.5. So hopefully after I'm done cleaning it, I can get it off of Steve. You know, it might take a little bit of convincing him, but these are super dope. Now for this cleaning video, I am gonna be using the essential kit, and the items that come in this kit, guys, are gonna be the soft brush, the medium brush, and the stiff brush, along with the 4-ounce bottle of solution. And this bottle is awesome. I love how clear it is, how you can see the little bubbles. In addition to that, it also comes with a microfiber towel. Now we are using 3 other items that don't come in this kit, which is the bowl, the shoe tree, and the brand new cleaning mat. But you guys can go ahead and check all those products out at Reshoevn8r.com. Now let's get into the video. All right, guys, for this video, I am only gonna be cleaning the right shoe, so I'm gonna put the left one to the side. Now the first step is to grab our adjustable shoe tree, adjust it to size. Now I said these are a size 11.5, so it's gonna be about the 3rd hole up. As I mentioned, this does fit up to a size 13 now. Put it into the shoe. And what that's gonna help me do is it's gonna reshape that toe box, and it's gonna allow me to apply more pressure as well. Next step, let's remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, guys, next up is gonna be grabbing your bottle of solution. You wanna pour 2 small squirts into your bowl of water, and then we're gonna begin cleaning using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pause real quick. A few quick tips: whenever you are cleaning any dyed suede, you wanna make sure you don't oversaturate the material. As you've seen when I did the dunk, I went ahead and made sure all that excess water and solution was off the brush, and then I went ahead and cleaning. What can happen is you can oversaturate the shoe, cause it to dry unevenly and get water spots. In addition to that, once again, if you are cleaning any dyed suede, test a small area first, like this back tab or maybe on the inside, to see if there's any bleeding. If there's no bleeding, you're probably safe to go ahead and clean the entire shoe. I didn't do it this time because we've cleaned the purple lobsters before, so I already know kind of what to expect. But just a quick couple tips, guys, to keep mind of. All right, guys, real quick tip. As you just seen, I went ahead and pat the shoe dry on the side that I've already cleaned. The reason for that is so that way that the water doesn't oversaturate the material and potentially cause the shoe to discolor. So what I like to do is just do that before I clean the other side of the shoe. In addition to that, guys, one thing I do want to point out is the material did bleed a little bit. I can see the bristles are a little bit of green, but that's just what happens whenever you clean a dyed suede. You do risk the chance of it bleeding, but it doesn't look like it's too bad. So let's go ahead and move on to the other side of the shoe. All right, guys, I think I am all done with the uppers and the inner lining as well. Now, one thing I do want to say is typically I would use a medium brush to go ahead and clean off the midsole, but it looks like it got clean when I was using the soft bristle brush on the entire uppers. However, there is still dirt on the green part, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure to hit that up with the stiff bristle brush and then continue to clean the entire bottom. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, that outsole is looking pretty good. Go ahead and check that out. Now the last and final step is to clean the laces. So I'm gonna put the shoe over to the side. All you have to do is dunk them in your solution and water mixture. Make sure they get all soapy and bubblied up. Put them in between your hands and get a nice scrub. All right, let's grab our towel. Strain the lace. Cool. Now it's time to go ahead and put these in front of a fan to let them dry. Now, as you can see, guys, real quick, it's already drying in different areas. The toe box is still a little wet, but it's dry like right here, right here. Now, what I always recommend for a suede shoe like this is to put it in front of a fan if you can. Outside is fine. However, just make sure that you are in a well-ventilated area for this shoe. So let's go ahead and put it in front of a fan. We'll be back. All right, guys, while the shoe is drying in front of the fan, I want to talk about this brand new cleaning mat. As I mentioned, this came highly requested from a lot of the customers. They wanted something to put down so that way their area stays nice and clean. Now, there is a little bit over here, but nothing that I can't wipe off afterwards. So let's go ahead and move the bowl, the brushes, and let's see how well this mat held up all the liquid that was poured on here. Check that out, guys. Spotless. Completely dry on the other side. I don't see anything. Like I said earlier in the video, I'm super excited for this to be here. We've had a lot of requests on it. It's awesome. I can't wait for you guys to try it out. We'll be back when the shoe's done. Let's go. All right, guys, we are back. We went ahead and let these dry in front of a fan for a few hours, and as you can see, they cleaned up really, really good. However, the suede on here is feeling a little rough. It's not feeling as soft as it did before. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take the medium brush, scrub it in multiple directions, making sure not to apply too much pressure and get that nice soft texture back. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, that's gonna complete the resetting of the nap. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what it did. So now the suede is feeling super, super soft again. It is not feeling all crunchy. And as you can see, it goes from that dark color to the light. And that's what you wanna achieve whenever you're resetting the nap. Now it's not all hard and crunchy like I mentioned, it's nice and soft. Now remember, guys, I was able to achieve these results using our essential kit. But the other items that I used were our adjustable shoe trees, our brand new cleaning mat, and the collapsible bowl that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. If you like today's video, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.